Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Swarupa Deshpande, your English teacher from Advocate Bapusaheb Bhonde High School. Today, I am going to tell you one story. So, are you ready? We'll start? Yes? Okay. Once upon a time, there was one little girl named Ria. She lives near the forest. One day, she saw one mango tree with a signboard on it. The board read, I am a magic tree. Say the magical words and you will see the magic. Ria tried to guess magical words. Mangoes are sweet. I love mangoes. Then she remembered to try abracadabra and many more. But none of them worked. She finally said, Please, dear tree. Suddenly, the big door opened in the trunk. She entered in it. Inside, everything was dark except the board which reads, Carry on with your magical words. Then she says, Thank you, dear tree. With this, the inside of the tree lit up brightly and revealed a pathway which takes Ria to the big pile of toys and chocolates. Ria brought her all the friends to the tree and they had a best party forever. This is why please and thank you are considered as some of the magical words. Do you all enjoyed the story? Excellent. Now I'm going to teach you one more story from our lesson number 9, Soham's Ball. Shall we start? Okay. This story is of two friends. One is Soham and the other is Sam. So we will start the lesson. Soham and Sam are playing football. What are they doing? Yes, they are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. Who kicks the ball? Yes, Sam kicks the ball. It goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Where did the ball goes? Yes, it goes into Mr. Mane's garden. From this we understand that the two friends Soham and Sam are playing the football and by mistake the ball went into Mane uncle's garden. Sam asks for the ball. What does Sam do? Yes, he goes to Mr. Mane and asks for the ball. Excuse me, may I have the ball, please? What did Sam says? Sam says, Excuse me, Mr. Mane, can you give me my ball? Please? Sure, here it is. Now, after listening to this, Mr. Mane returns the ball to Sam. He says, Sure, here it is. So, which magical word did Sam use? He said, Excuse me, and also he used please. Now, we will read the next lines. After some time, again ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. So what happens after some time? One more time the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Now Soham asks for the ball. Now this time who went to bring the ball? Yes, Soham went to bring the ball. He says, Give me the ball. What did Soham said? He said, Give me the ball. No, I won't, said Mr. Mane. So in return, what did Mr. Mane said? He said, No, I won't return it back to you. Now we'll go to the next line. Why does Mr. Mane say no? What do you think? Why Mr. Mane must have said no to Soham? How is Soham feeling now? And how is Mr. Mane feeling? Did they both feel good after talking to each other in this way? Soham asked Mr. Mane, "Give me the ball," and Mr. Mane said he won't give the ball. They both are not feeling good because of some unpleasing talks. Soham tries again. Now, Soham tries again to ask the ball from Mr. Mane. "Uncle, may I have the ball, please?" How does Mr. Mane feel now? Now, this time, Soham used the pleasing word. He said, "Uncle, may I have the ball, please?" This time, Mr. Mane felt good after listening to the pleasing words. Now, Mr. Mane is ready to return the ball. "Thank you," said Soham. After getting the ball, Soham even said magic word "thank you" to Mr. Mane, and the conversation ends. So now you all must have understood that polite words or magical words affects a lot in our day-to-day life, and hope you all will try to make use of it in our day-to-day life. Now we will revise some magic words. Are you all ready? We will learn from this when and how, where to use the magic words. In our first story, let's meet Meera. Mama made yummy halwa for Meera. What should she say? All of you think of it. Grandmother gifted her a beautiful pencil box. Again, what should she say? When she lost the pencil box at the school, her friends helped her to find it. What she should say to her friends? Yes, she should say, "What? Yes, thank you." She should say thank you to all of them. Thank you. Now we will meet Manoj. Say hi to Manoj, everyone. Yes, we will listen to his story now. Manoj wants to play with his best friend's new toy car. What should Manoj say to his friend? What should he say? Any guesses? Think, all of you. One more. Manoj wants to watch cartoon on TV when his grandfather is watching. Should Manoj just change the channel? Do you think he should change the channel directly, or he should ask his grandfather the permission to change the channel? What do you all think? Any guess? He should request by saying please to his friend and also to his grandfather. He should say, "Please, can you give me the remote to change the channel, or can you give me a toy car to play?" He should say, "Please." Now see the new story. Tanuj is pulling his sister's teddy bear because he wants to play with it. Tanuj broke the teddy bear while pulling the teddy. What do you think Tanuj should say to his sister? Any guess? If you make any mistake, what do you say? Yes, you should say sorry. Everyone understood now very correctly. Very nice, all of you. Now let's meet Ria. She went to the restaurant for dinner with her parents and she wants to talk something. So, what should she will say to interrupt her parents? Ria was not feeling well. She was having cough and cold. So after sneezing, what she should say? All of you please try to guess. What should she say?
She should say, "Excuse me." Now meet Ram. Hi Ram. Ram's friend borrowed book from Ram. While returning the book, she said thank you to Ram. So what will Ram say now? If any guests come to Ram's house, what should he say to them? Yes, he will say welcome to both of them. Right.
Now we all have learned how, when to use the magical words. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe our class channel. Till then, bye bye all of you.